Menoka say, and Chairman Parliament approve the formula for the disbursement of the District Assembly's Common Fund. Meaning say high MC, you know, yet me have draw down share 25 million of the District Assembly Common Fund now. Because there's somebody who is supposed to represent us and who is recognized legally. But when I'm saying Libino, anyone wants to be me about say cry and sanka and sanka we can't disburse.
Na said the local government act no echire no my own say district assembly bia no enya na MC the MC no na ebe gina ma mampani na watoto na mampani no ne policies ene ne nema opese wo yema eyema ntamu bia no MC no ahwe na waye na aye kama na eto abawie ya yede wo mampani besi so no osume enson eni Mampong enya MC na nokwasem se eye arehosem kakra ya ha Mampong yempuntuo entine enyina ya ba abeshi ha se yede yasem efa media no so na edru empanimfo a ese wo mohwe ema Mampong ha yeso yensa eka yeso MC intine yebishia hase ya na botaiti tra ema yebishia hase eno no na ase de dwumadie no esitie no yachichem ama obia no ebeyebi obia bekasa bi nti yakuchire enema egu nkrata no so ya no na duru a yebema honorable Anthony Apia bosofo assembly member ono so no ode yensem no nititiru no atudwa na achire no enema yenyina no yeto abawie ekoso assembly ha ya ekotia Mampong no yenya kwanya no ane yenzo so no yetimi de atudwa na ede asundue aba honorable members na ene yebishia ha asem no a titira yebishia na mawa ni atom enti a peaceful press conference and yebe appealing to the president say Nadaroma and the local government minister say Nadaroma omontwe omoni mehwe Mampong ase na yeso no omoma ya MC na botaya ya yebishia ase eno no.
Good morning to you all.
Good morning.
All right, Honorable PM, friends from media houses, and our colleagues, honorable members and appointees. We are here to present our petition. Media people to help us carry it to our President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So this petition is from concerned citizens, assembly members, and stakeholders of Mampong municipality, and dated today, July 10th, 2025. We, the undersigned citizens, assembly members, and stakeholders of Mampong municipality, write to express our grave concern regarding the prolonged absence of substantive municipal chief executive for our municipality. It has now been 7 months since previous MCA tenure of office ended on January 8, 2025. Following your assumption of office on January 7, 2025, this administrative vacuum has created significant governance challenges that are severely impacting the development and well-being of our communities. According to Article 243 of the 1992 Constitution and Section 20 of Subsection 1 of the Local Governance Act 2016, Act 936, the MCE serves as the chief representative of the national government in the municipality, the presiding officer of the executive committee meetings. Also, he is the supervisor of all municipal departments, the coordinator of day-to-day executive and administrative functions. As we all can see, all the adjoining districts have their MCs, with the exception of Mampong. So the absence of MC has affected our municipal development. And these are some of it. We have detailed negative effects on Mampong municipality. We've captioned about 5 of it. 1, administrative paralysis and leadership vacuum. Because there is no commander, we experience lack of supervisory authority. So, municipal department operates without clear leadership and direction. 2, decision-making process are delayed or completely stalled. Interdepartmental coordinations has broken down significantly. Staff morale and productivity have declined due to lack of clear command structure. Also, we have a compromised executive functions. Executive committee meetings cannot be properly convened and chaired. Strategic planning and policy implementation have been suspended. Emergency response coordination is ineffective. Administrative decisions requiring executive approval are indefinitely delayed. There is also deteriorating municipal services. We have sanitation crisis at all electoral areas. We talk about waste management systems are collapsing due to lack of oversight. Public health risks are escalating with uncollected garbage. Drainage systems are clogged and unmaintained. Market sanitations has reached crisis level, affecting public health. Another deteriorating municipal services also include infrastructural neglect. Now, school buildings are deplorable conditions with no coordinated maintenance. Classroom blocks remain incomplete or in disrepair. Educational infrastructure development has stagnated. Student safety, and learning conditions are severely compromised. When we come to public safety concerns, in our electoral areas or in our municipality, street lighting systems are non-functional across the municipality, as I said earlier. Public spaces are poorly maintained and unsafe. Security infrastructure is inadequate and deteriorating. Emergency response capabilities are severely limited. On economic development stagnation, as we can see, road construction has come to a standstill. We have drip machines and we have lack supervision on that. Revenue generation challenges. We talk about market infrastructure development that has been seized. Investment promotion activities are non-existent. Local economic development initiatives have stalled. We also have financial mismanagement and accountability issues. On internally generated funds, as we know, IGF, 1, without proper executive oversight, IGF revenues are not being utilized for their intended purposes. Staff members in the temporary positions are misusing municipal resources for personal benefits. Financial accountability mechanisms have broken down. Public funds meant for community development are being diverted. On budget implementation failures, we talk about municipal budget execution is severely compromised. Development projects are abandoned. or improperly managed. Financial reporting and transparency are also deteriorated. Audit process and internal controls are ineffective. The fifth is social and community welfare deterioration. On health service delivery, health infrastructure maintenance is neglected. When we come to educational system challenges, we talk about school feeding programs are inconsistently implemented. Educational infrastructure development has ceased. And on social services, we have a breakdown. Youth development programs are non-functional. Women's empowerment initiatives have become a standstill. Disability support services are inadequate. Community development projects are abandoned. On governance and democratic governance and democratic deficits, we talk about assembly operations, which has been compromised. And one, we have municipal assembly meetings lack proper executive coordination. Committee system functionality is severely impaired. Public participation in governance has declined. Transparency and accountability mechanisms are weak. Concerning citizen engagement deterioration, we have community grievance mechanisms are non-functional. Public consultation process have ceased. Civic education programs are poorly implemented. Democratic participation has significantly declined. Immediate consequences if action is not taken has also been taken care of here. We are pleading that without immediate intervention through the appointment of a substantive MC, Mampong municipality will face the following. One, escalation of public health crisis, deterioration of educational infrastructure beyond repair, loss of investor confidence and economic opportunities. And there will be a breakdown of law and order, and also misappropriation of public resources, notwithstanding erosion of citizen trust in government. We are making this urgent appeal to His Excellency the President. Your Excellency, we humbly and urgently appeal to you to immediately nominate a competent and dedicated individual for the position of Municipal Chief Executive for Mampong Municipality. Fast track the approval process to ensure the nominee is presented to the Municipal Assembly without further delay. We are pleading to you, Our Excellency. We also want you to prioritize the appointment given the critical situation in our municipality. We also want you to consider the urgent needs of the over 120,000 residents of Mampong municipality who deserve effective local governance. We want you to restore effective leadership to prevent further deterioration of municipal services and infrastructure. In conclusion, the people of Mampong municipality have suffered enough from this prolonged administrative vacuum. 7 months without substantive leadership is not only unconstitutional, but also detrimental to the socio-economic development of our community. The negative effects outlined above will only worsen if immediate action is not taken. We therefore implore Your Excellency to treat this matter with the urgency it deserves and appoint a substantive MCE for Mampong Municipality immediately. The further development and well-being of our municipality depend on Your swift intervention. We remain hopeful that Your Excellency will act decisively to restore effective governance to Mampong Municipality and ensure that our communities receive the leadership it deserves. We thank you so much, and we are very sure our able president will do us this favor. Thank you and thank you.
Na ensemo ya wode tu dwa ne nyina ye ensemo emu ohwam na eye asundue asem ya ahobrase so ewom ya ye nyina ye be ma ye mampani ane local government ministers no na omo ahwe na omo aba na ensemo kan ni nyina ne tofa bo no ni nyina ne se Mampong adampai e wo MC sem na yehwa enema bebre wo ho a ya ekoso a entimi nyina yie ewo Asante Mampong ahase ya ye twe Mampong eko akire se yeba education mu a enema bebre wo ho a entoto ye ntimi enwie peye sanitation so no nyina ye ni Mampong sa wo fa Mampong krum ase ya enwura ene enema basa ye gugu miamia no emwa Mampong so no entimi ene ye ho se Mampong na yehwe enema ese assembly no ejina so revenue ese assembly no ejina so e de bom Mampong ho ebra so a eno no e ho totoye no entimi enyina yie enkoyie kura yehwe na no mfidie ya ye yisu no wo assembly hase ya eno so no ho entotoye ne se de esi ehwe se ebetimi aboa Mampong no e ho so no enkoyie enti ni nyina mu no ye ba ya setena mu so a enam se ye ni MC ya ye betimi akodwan ato ano ye wo ya sem ye betimi de akeka a kire ne nti no aba nyema nyina agensemu a ya entimi enwie epeye emaye e wo Mampong ase enyema bebre na eka chi ema Mampong na ye ka esi so se ye besere wo mampani se de wo ya asotie ema ne ma no Mampong so no wontie ya asem maye na nadaroma Omma ye MC ya ono ahwe a obetimi aye adwuma no ya emfen ngwase emre eye amemu a ono so wobu no na edi mpuntuo ebebre Mampong ene ye ya yete Mampong asetena mu nyina se ye hwe feeding program ya abe ya ye wo MC ya obetimi ahwe ama ntotoye no etimi awie pe ama ye mofra no so ye ko ya resabia ene ma bebre wo a ya ehia se o MC ya odinani behwe ama watimi ayede amaye na no minya opportunity ko school bi mu e koye enkunyasem kra no na in fact na ayede enti omampani yewura Mahama emiye se yaka bi kire wa ya wotie na se de nyina nim no ba ya waba no minimiye se waba se obeye bibi ato anase nchirima na nyase na obi ato enti assembly members ye wo Asante Mampong has no ya hobrasie mu ani die kwaso omampani ye pa chew ani mu ye no my MC na wonhwe na omesi wa na mu hase na wontimi ntoto ema Mampong puntuo entimi enkoso ema ye nyina we ene ensem a yakukira ya ye de ema omampani ene Ghana fo nyina na minimi se omampani so beti amaye yakopon wonhira ye nyina na wonhira omampani ene na pamfo nyina all right honorable members ene ye beta mo nyina ase nyina ese ya mo kama abadwumadi o yase na yenimi se ebeso aba meme de mi hu ne se ene kura ya ntimo bibia afra na ochina Omampani ebeye yakuma swadi yamaye. Inyina yeka Omampani. Na yina intimate trust say yenkwano ye kasa amana ayeye. Na said the yina no. The kind of platform so no. Omampani bae no. Asante Mampong ono so washi animunyam. Kese pa amaye regional minister. Sisi no aya me no kase. Se ehwe Ghana hase ya regional ministers no. Se ne no you can see grade a make mark say Asante regional minister e be grade no 1. Yes. Oh yes. Yeah. Bia na ye mu bi wo ho na ye mfolo de wo ye. Ba de niam ya wo ye nyina no ese nya nsusuaso wo ni kura ye dey ofiri mu. Se ekonya nsusuaso wo other districts no a na amenya nsusuaso wo ni kuro mu a ye so no e benya bi ye dey aka. Timini se ne yinhia mu no se eso abapa yina no ebehu efaso a ya ewo mu na se de yina yini no eye honorable Nicholas Osewusu ewo ha ono so ne bema ne konya na ensemo a ya ekae ono so akabi na ali akire eye Omampani ene Ghana for that ye nyina no so ono so abe nti yama ne ye na ono so emra ese media no capture yakasa for bia ye be ma media no pa se bia mo wa sinsa me no bia
honorable former PM mpemfo amo mudi enima no pay damase ne akonya amode amai honorable assembly members damase said the mpemfo adika kan campaign se pani dware wi a na nsu asana nso wamaye kwan se kakra nso ye won yemfa nka ho de mpemfo aka no ye no mo eya adwen esanse free adebo asase ebisi sabre nyankopon wonya nipa muda bebia bebia nipa wo bia no ye wakandifo ho there's never been a leadership vacuum anywhere. The only time Israel for crowd wonya leadership vacuum na so mo prepare wo ho nti wo mo ka so mo abeyi wo mo nyankopon jama wo mo. During that period there was a state of anomy, chaos. Ti omwanga sa nnu omo hono msa akọ nyankopon hafe ya hemfo no sai started. What we are saying is when there's a leadership vacuum, especially one that is contrary to established conventions and laws, and manipulative crime, and sometimes it's in itself becomes tempting. Say nipa bi wo ha already normal nipa bi abefa agudi no aye de self ope nti se kwan we beda ho say a enime bi wo ho a nka panyi wo ho a ontimi nye no obefa sa kwan so no de aye se panyi ka se eduamu da kwan a ene wo edoro mu no nipa bi wo ho mo wo assembly ho a omdo benya mre bi ananke am mo fa agudi se ye ka se kade ni ntuma nko a kade bi ane ye gura safo no nti sa na ebinum pese o mo ye nti se nya panyi wo emu a ebeboa ma ono nso emremu no wonyeme bi obetumi aye obi antimi nya ne oye sisi aye wo acting MC wo ho but he has his limitation anya ne menyina na obetumi aye many o ka say enche akra na parliament approve the formula for the disbursement of the district assemblies common fund meaning say ye ha ye ni MC no yetimi a draw down ye share 25 million of the district assembly common fund na. Because there's somebody who is supposed to represent us and who is recognized legally. But when I'm saying libino, anyone wants to be me say cry and sanka ede. Yensa kan sumpa. We can't disburse. Nti adwuma wa sanka ye de boa ye nkura represent omo ene omo a e wo ha omo so be boa ba adwuma no. We can't get it. To see I to say this assembly common fund. There's a certain formula any be a kan ho. Ya to say no how did we even arrive at or a project now? I was say the financing no. But say one see or ha ke bia yetimi this year yetimi aye bia assembly meeting. Then we all approve of what we are going to do with our share of the common fund. But because there's no MC, how are you going to expend it? Remember, he's the spending officer of the assembly. Nti se wansan yin so a enye bibia na acting a unibetimi asan nti amayem kronkito ano etwekọ akire okasa na okari bi emergency situation me ho enche kwa subrani bi toma ehuntui mote ya school dan so epai ema enyemesi besi sa be se nye obi a philanthropist bi ena ye kan ye na wote si ye kan ho asem radio so no ba be boy amonamu mu a ke besi sa be nkenkra no mda so ti abontin assembly ntu anamobi awka bi a SMC ni ho sika ni ho enti sa na ma we nyina enti ena ye sere se omampanyin ontwa nani omehwe Mampong na omwaye na ensu nyae de na fi ntu anamo enkoye ni medamasi
former PM memfefo honorable members and afi ye yonkofo nsentwofo manage bebre se me susu menya kwanya na mede madesrede ana Mampong ya desrede eto omampani anim na mo adawroma enim se sabi empani se aboa ne de huhu na yere na fuo ena efie susu ho na pani ni mu a ya na ayere chichire bia anim assembly members ye woye nkro mu yi ye chichire a MCE anim ne ye besane se obeduru kro yi mu na wo ba assembly ha mun kafra na akoye se de wadu amanfon so no esan se pani bia ni ho a wo beka ukro mu ha ede akire no na pani so le kan se wo ka chimsi ho na ma ne che na wa ani a enati egum enti media adesrede enenne mede to omampani anim minim yie se sebi oye pani a otie na wotie form ye besre no se kwan bia wo so wo fa so a animu yai obebo obidi na ba Mampong se omeye municipal chief executive no na dawroma ohwenu ntu saa na mo no na minim yie se bema wono so kura ne dwumadie na ba nyam esan se Mampong antumpon a the end of the day ye bo assembly ma ya chi no meso so me chechire a me de beso mampani esan se ono na chechemu nkumankuma na manya bidi akomikro enti me de ne ye hia ya adesrede tie a ene se na dawroma etwe ba na abukuro wo no ono na oman ni nyina hye ne nsa omo obidi animu ya afa no mra Mampong na Mampong fa nti mapamfra me da omampani
honorable members here share ha em se ne yedwumadie no ide mo gidie se ebe so abapa na de meka tiewa nyina ne se bijaa me head teacher me hwe school so ma education director se mini ho na me de machikura ja assistant abeba se ne me pen no bedu school no se nya sara etie ni se also mampani ni se na mu wa ha na se wenyi ne wo se ode nachi age obi na chi wo hwa a de mini se de se koso no nya sara be koso ama enema ebire ato ape okure mu se oba ahara obi se obi a se MC ni ho montwen eti odu na de bebire yentimi nye we say esi afi no so kia meeting yentimi ko bi ni nyina ne se MC ni ho eno che se empuntu a e se koso okure mu no e twesan enti ya ne se de nyina ne se omampani hu ye mobo na animanu ye won wa ye se na be ye okure so empuntu ebe koso edo mampani ase se obetie ye amen yeah Mampong empuntu a aka kira onifo se wanka se otu a eyo ibone ntina ene honorable assembly members na atwa se ebeka se yiti no isan se Mampong empuntu eka kire okoye nkro nkitoma atwa Mampong wonhia obi a ne ha oba na nsansu kese bi etoye efefe ne school da so pepae amanfo na ye mo ase de me bi di ka kan no ye be se abai ala se gana mampani ede me gidi se be refe na ba ebia so se bod na aka we nkwa na wura fi ye fa konya so aka no ya se ne se ni manunu ya ma MC Mampong putuo enkoso na gana man so emfa ntima infra bidawibia as
she pa wa she na utu anamo aboa se Mampong Mce be fa ne ntoma pefra said mpani kan ye no kro bia se bimpredwasa ohene nim no ya na basabasa ye na afi nsumpuntuo etosini wo menka ne tenten bia de ese omampani an se onye yadom na omaye MCE na mpuntu a ewo Mampong no enko nanim oba me krom yon so a United Primary School ensu etoye no apegya dan no ama dan no asa abesi so na mofra no ko school wo yɛto na mo aba ha yɛbaeɛ a MCE ni hɔ nkɔla no da so kɔ school ɛwɔ saa dan nim kyɛ bɛsrɛ ɔmampani sɛ kyɛw mu a ɔmo ayɛ na ɔmo ayɛ MCE na mampɔman fa ne ntoma mpɛmfra medam ase
ɛne honorable members a mo hyia yɛma yɛ ho akɔ aba ɛne friends from the media both print and electronic meso deɛ kakraa bi na sɛ me nua ne bu bɛrɛ meso bu baabi yɛsɛ aboakɔ jansa wɔ ɔpaasa paa na wakɔ yɛase akɔbɔ nsoa sempo amiɛnsa owie no wɔse yɛnya yie no ma no nsoa meka wo yɛ kɔsi sɛ assembly members ɛnkaya ne yɛdeɛ ho nanso ɛnam sɛ ɔmampani ɛnyi pani ma yɛnti no ɛsɛ yɛakɔyɛ amanframfo na yɛahyɛ so de yɛwɔ ha ne yɛafade a ɛwɔ ha ɛkyerɛ ɔmampani sɛ ɛnyɛ abufuo so ne yɛkasa ana ɛnyɛ ɛhyɛ so bebree nyɛ saa aka bi a saa bi yɛahyɛ kɔgyɛn yɛhyɛ yɛadwuma atare ɛne yɛn ntare a sɛ yɛde tu anamo a da bia yɛtu ɛkyerɛ ne sɛ ebiani sɔ ɛne ahobrɛsɛ kwan so ɛna ɛkasa kyerɛ no sɛdeɛ adeɛ ha me paa yɛ meetings ɛnka ayɛ bia 7th month ni ɛnka keka kɔ second meeting akɛ sɛ yɛayɛ ɛna assembly no ne span nyinaa na sɛ ne sɛ so baa nyinaa no sɛ yɛbɛyɛ meetings na assembly no atumi apagya nti yɛnka no kɛse biara medema no nsie no deɛ yɛka kyerɛ ɔmampani sɛ ne sɛ na obi ka common fund ho asɛm common fund aba sɛsie no yɛpɛ sɛ ka MC yim na sɛsie no ma yɛ ho adwuma sɛ MC no nya maade a yɛsɛ ne nsa na wɔma so ayɛ sɛ Yesu Kristo nsa no ɔmfa nsa nto so wɔ assembly hɔ ɔnte sɛ ebenya MC yansa na sɛ ska no ɛyɛ ho adwuma san sɛ ɛbɔn bi atu asɛm no mbɛsi yɛntimi nyɛ dɛ ɛnwura mu ɔba de sɛ saa bɔn na ebitimi ɛwura mesom de America na nyɛ